Let me sum up your next weather forecast with 3 words. This is kind of Dr. Seuss-like of me, but I think it sums it up. Slick, slop, burr. That's what we're staring down. The slick, we've got some light snow that's passing over the Twin Cities right now. It's not going to amount to much, but it will create some slick spots on the roadways. The next weather alert we're talking about is for tomorrow's heavy, wet snow. There'll be some mixed precipitation at times, thus the slop. And we're going to have our coldest air yet of the season. It could feel like 20 to 30 below. We may issue another next weather alert for the burr, which hits this weekend. Let's get to that slick. Here's the light snow that's moving west to east. It's just arrived in Minneapolis here. You see these darker shades? We could get a quick burst of a ½ an inch to an inch of snow. It's not going to amount to much. It's the light, fluffy variety we've had come through the past couple of times. I've been clearing them with the leaf blower off my sidewalk and driveway. That's how light and fluffy it is. It will pass in the next couple of hours. Just be careful if you're heading out this evening. It will create some slick spots. That will move on before our 10 o'clock news. And look at this. Our temperatures will actually be fairly mild overnight tonight and borderline warm tomorrow. But look at the slop that is coming our way during the day tomorrow. As far as the warmth goes, if we do hit 34, it will be the first time we've warmed above 32 degrees in almost 2 weeks. It will be very mild, but that could create a bit of a phase change with the precipitation that's coming our way. Good news tomorrow morning for your morning commute. We got the clouds, no snow, no mix. You see it up in North Dakota. It's going to come right down Highway 94. Really depends on where you live as to what you'll get. It's all snow north of 94. I'll show you how heavy it will be at times. This is where we could see some mixed precipitation. It could be some sleet. I don't see a lot of options for freezing rain, but there will be some rain mixing in over southwestern Minnesota, and that's going to cut down on the snow totals. Your drive home tomorrow will be pretty brutal. Heavy, wet snow falling in the Twin Cities, maybe a few rain showers on the southern flank, and the snow will continue to fall across northern Minnesota as well. So getting around tomorrow evening, I would hunker down if I were you, and it looks like we'll have the snow coming in again late tomorrow night and likely pushing out of here by the Wednesday morning commute. But Wednesday morning commute is not going to be fun either because we're going to see some pretty hefty snow totals. North of the Twin Cities, this is where we expect the corridor of 6 to 8 inches in some areas, approaching a foot in others. It will not be one you can clear with a leaf blower. It will be wet and heavy and hard to shovel. Take it easy. And in the Twin Cities, 3 to 5 is possible. Better chance of the 5 to the northeast with the 3 to 1 down to the southwestern part of the suburbs. And again, this will linger till Wednesday morning. And then we get to the burr. I'll show you that. Next weather alert tomorrow for the sloppy storm system. Still a rough commute Wednesday morning. And then we chill. Look at the temperatures. And by the weekend, we're talking about overnight lows around 10 below. Kick in a little wind. It could feel like 20 to 30 below. That's dangerously cold. We'll likely be looking at wind chill advisories or warnings. We'll likely be issuing another next weather alert, this time for the cold, not the snow like tomorrow.